Using a 1 1/4 inch socket wrench, you'll disassemble the silencer from the rear. The tube is right-hand threaded, so you'll turn it left to remove it from the tube. Do not force the core out of the tube. Using right-hand turns, slowly turn until the core releases from the silencer. The core and all the components are threaded left hand, which means you'll remove them with right-handed turns. The entire core, including the thread cap, where it meets the core, turns out that way. Remove the spacer. We recommend you set these things aside in order. Remove the cage. And remove the next baffle. You can continue disassembling as far as you'd like to disassemble the silencer. You reassemble the silencer in reverse order. If you try to assemble the silencer turning it right, it will not work. So remember, when you're putting the core back together, turn left. Attach each component in the order it was removed. Finally, reattach the end cap. And once again, it's left-hand threaded, so you'll attach that way. Tighten the core components together, and you may reassemble them into the tube. And remember, the tube is threaded regularly, so you'll turn it to the right to tighten it. At the end, when you get it all the way in, you may snug it up using a 1 1/4 inch socket wrench as shown in this video. And remember, never force your silencer apart. If it will not come apart with regular force, return it to the manufacturer for free cleaning and assembly.